This video is for anyone who wants to set up on your computer for Word to check what grade level you're writing at. So it's not the automatic default. You would have to go in and change some settings just in case you got your computer re-imaged or you never did it in class with me. So in order to do that, the first step you need to do is open up a Word document. And then on your Word document in the upper left-hand corner, click on File. And you will get a list of things on the left-hand side. Click down on the last one that says More, and then click Options. And you're going to get this box that pops up, and on the left-hand side, the third one down is Proofing, so click on Proofing. And in the middle of this page, it says when correcting spelling and grammar in Word. And for us, the default is not clicked already, so show readability statistics. You need to make sure there's a check mark in that box. So this will pop up when we ask it to. And then one more step I like to do, I like to click on settings here. And anything that is in here, I like to have a check mark in all these boxes, so Word will check everything for me. And currently it's not the default for it to check everything, so I figure let it do as much work as possible. So I put a check mark in every box, and this is going to stay this way until you get re-imaged again. So after you check mark everything, then press OK, and then press OK again. And now to check your grade level of writing, you need some writing in front of you. So I have a paragraph here, and I'm going to highlight the paragraph. I would not recommend not highlighting, because then it'll check everything, like a works cited page, and it'll check your title. So I just want to check my actual writing itself. So I'm highlighting it. And this way you could check paragraph by paragraph too to see how each paragraph is by itself. So I highlighted it. Then I'm going to go up here to the top and I'm going to click Review. And then over here, when you have the review open, you could select Editor. And then it opens up this editor on the side. And this editor is going to show you all the things they think is wrong with your writing currently. So it has different things. You could click on these individually, like there's 9 punctuation errors they think, and yada, yada, yada. So you could click on them and see what suggestions they have for you. But what I want to do is I want to scroll past that and go to Insights. And they have the document stats. So if you click on document stats, you'll get your readability statistics box. And it'll tell you what grade level your writing is at. And so for this paragraph right here, it's at a 6.4 grade level. And in order to raise that up, what you would have to do is have more compound complex sentence structure, so longer grammatical sentences. So instead of where it says sentences per paragraph, instead of 8 sentences for this, I would try to get it down to maybe 4 or 5. And instead of the passive sentences, you should have active sentences, and also it'll say how many characters per word too. So if you use more advanced vocabulary, that'll also help to raise your grade point level. And freshmen should be writing at least a 9.0 at this point. So that is how you get your readability statistics box. Thanks. Bye.